Hey everyone, welcome back to Stockmate. I'm Mr. Finn, your daily pulse of the US market. Let's be real. The market today felt like watching a tennis match. Everyone's just waiting for the next Powell serve. The three major indexes finished mixed today. The Dow inched down about 0.3%, the S&P 500 slipped 0.2, and the Nasdaq barely held the line, closing flat after a choppy session. We saw a morning sell-off, a midday rebound, and then a tired market limping into the close. Classic Powell Day behavior. Tech stocks started strong but lost momentum after Powell opened his mouth, which, historically, is never a great moment for the bulls. Semiconductors gave back some early gains. Nvidia dropped around 1.5%, while Tesla slipped about 1.2. Energy stocks had a small bounce as oil ticked higher, but nothing dramatic. The biggest action came from financials, with JP Morgan and Goldman down more than 2%. Here's the big story. Jerome Powell spoke at the Economic Club today. He made it clear that the Fed's job isn't done and that rates could stay higher for longer. No surprise there, but markets hate being reminded of it. And like hearing your ex say they're doing great, he emphasized the need to keep inflation in check and basically said, don't get too excited about rate cuts. The bond market reacted fast. The 10-year yield popped back above 4.7%, and risk assets took a quick punch. Meanwhile, Trump once again lit up Truth Social. He called out the Fed's policy as a total disaster and said if he were in charge, the economy would be booming again. Love him or hate him, the market reacts when he talks. Futures got a small jolt after that post, but nothing sustained. It's like throwing a rock into the ocean. A splash, then calm. The S&P 500 is still holding above 4,800, but momentum is fading. Support sits around 4,750, and resistance remains at 4,150. The VIX ticked higher to 15, showing a bit more fear creeping in. Nothing crazy yet, but sentiment is getting nervous. You can feel it. Tomorrow, all eyes are on retail sales data. If consumer spending stays hot, that could back Powell's higher for longer stance. Earnings season is also picking up. Tesla, Netflix, and Bank of America are reporting soon, and that could be the real catalyst for direction. Right now, the market's like a crowded subway at rush hour. Everyone's packed in, waiting for someone to make the first move. To sum it up, Powell reminded the market who's boss. Trump stirred the pot. And the market, it's stuck in a waiting game. Don't forget, caution is cheaper than regret. Hit subscribe, and I'll keep you updated every day. I'm Mr. Finn, and this is Stockmate.